Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2018 Lexus IS 350 all-wheel drive F Sport Series 3 in the Obsidian finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low mileage with only 5,168 kilometers, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, also equipped with the adaptive front lighting system, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, windshield wiper de-icer, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, park assist sensor switch, power rear window sunshade, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, a dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with the pre-collision system. A 10.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, also equipped with a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, sunroof, black interior in great condition, and of course comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.